What'd you say about? What'd you say, Sticky?
Go ahead. Watch your head there, Mike. All right, get that off.
I'm gonna go around the other side and film because I think I want to see that block of that crank come out of there.
And let it down. Can you let it down a little bit?
Hold on. I got one more. Let me get that top bolt. I think it should be good.
Oh, there's one more left.
I thought it broke off. And then it's going to fall off. There we go. Watch out. All right.
What was that came out of?
Watch out now, because the whole crankshaft's probably going to fall out after the back piece anyway.
Crankshaft's coming with it.
Is it?
Yep.
All right, y'all watch out. Can it come down?
Yeah.
Are we good to come down?
Yeah, come down. You have plenty of room.
Oh, shit. Where's it hidden?
I guess that piece of block.
It is. It's still hung up
that
on
piece
the-
of block's just hanging on right
Can
there.
you come back? Can you go straight back?
Gotta go up with it a little bit. Just gotta
Hold on.
just gotta clear the pan.
We just got a hold of a chunk of crankshaft.
So you better watch your toes.
It's not coming off that flex plate, dude. Bolted to it. Can you tilt the front up?
No, it's not bolted. Yeah, it's broken.
It's gotta come over the pan. Is all it's gotta do. Then it'll come down. There you go. Come back. Try not to scar that up. I just want to look at that journal there when we get it out of there. There you go. There you go. Come on now.
You're loose. Can you go back toward you about a half inch?
You're good. You're clear.
That's good. That's good. Come on.
Come on now.
Holy hell, dude.
Come on now.
I'm going to go out on the limb and say the crank's broken.
Yeah, slightly.
The question is, how many pieces is the crank broken?
I think just this back piece. Good God, dude.
Dear God, look at your block.
Hey, my laminated flex plate's still holding on. That somebody's just warped all to hell. Shit.
Holy hell.
That's my picture of the cylinder.
Yeah, folks, you're looking at a block, unfortunately.
Look inside of one.
Where the push rod should be?
That cam was good.
Yeah, right.
Seriously, I think that load looks like it's fine.
Yeah. I think when you pull that out, I think the cam's going to look like a banana.
Wow, man, we're like pissing everywhere.
Oh well, it's all good. That piece of block right there is just hanging on. You can grab it and it'll fall. Grab that and pull it down if you can. Yep.
Wow.
Oh shit.
That's all I can think about. Wow.
That fucked up my downpipe, dude. Oh.
What? This isn't how you take yours first? Here's it. You got a bad seal.
I don't know if you can see the
There's
blade.
the problem. There's the problem right
Your
here.
rear main's leaking.
your rear main seal's bad. God damn.
I think you need a new one.
Wow. Look at that flex plate, dude. It is warped
All right, give me
the
that.
fuck up.
This one right here? 15.
Watch you.
God, dude, that block is... Man. I just don't have the words, really, dude. Let's see. Watch out. You film it. The Interceptor in pieces. That tail section's just hanging on.
Torque converter will come out.
Don't pull it off. It's still full of fluid.
Oh well, it's a 5-minute video. I'll stop that.